If you've been feeling stuck in some way, it may seem really strange, but what I suggest you do first is clean your junk drawers. We often have hidden clutter that's stuffed away, and even though we don't see it, it's affecting us all day long. Your closets, your drawers, the attic, the garage, all the clutter that's hanging out there, just far away, out of sight, maybe kind of in the back of your mind, is not out of your energy field. It's still affecting you. Now is the time to dive in and start clearing away the hidden clutter. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Hidden clutter in so many ways, and how you can really start digging in and opening up even more change-making, life-changing potential. So let's get started. For those of you who are new here, my name's Claudat. I'm a modern Feng Shui master and founder of the School of Intention. This is an entire method and school of Feng Shui that's unlike anything else in the world. And as you design your home using all of these methods and principles, you can start unlocking more of your unstoppable, unlimited power and make amazing things happen. Feng Shui School is open right now for registration. So if you want to become a Feng Shui professional trained in this one-of-its-kind in the world method of life-changing design and Feng Shui, the School of Intention Professional Certification Program is here. Early registration is on right now, and there's a link in the description box to learn more and join us. Now, in all of Feng Shui, including this method, energy needs to flow freely. And whenever energy doesn't flow freely, things get stagnant. When energy flows freely, things feel amazing. When energy gets stagnant, things feel stuck. If you want life to flow freely, you don't want anything to stop your energy from flowing freely. So we want to open up life and remove all the clutter in the way. I've made so many videos about clutter clearing, and I'm going to link some of them here, and I'm going to make sure they're linked below as well. Some of the greatest hits. But the biggest aha moment for me was learning about hidden clutter. I thought that if pretty much everything on the surface of my life looked good, I was fine. Like everything was in order, everything was organized that I could see. I thought that that was pretty much the winning formula for having my life together. And it's a good thing. It's not a bad standard to keep. If everything looks good on the surface, that's a really nice way to move through your days. Now, I've gone into so many homes that look perfect on the surface. In fact, they're so beautiful that I can't imagine changing a single thing, but they don't feel right. And that's where I know there is hidden clutter. I recently pulled an entire garbage bag full of old technology cases, like phone cases and all sorts of things, boxes for my computer and other things, all from the drawers of my desk. And I had so much of it that it was astonishing. And I go through clutter clearing constantly. So I know that if I had this much hidden clutter, you probably have lots of clutter hidden away that you don't even realize. I learned the same thing in my kitchen, going through my cabinets, my drawers, my utensils. There were so many things that I didn't need, that I didn't want, that I've accumulated over the years. And it took a real focused effort to say, I am not going to let anything remain that is not actually being used and actually making my life better, or that I won't truly want to play around with or experiment with in the kitchen, making something in the future. Which meant that pretty much half of what was there was able to go. That's profound. How much stuff do you have that has piled up, that has been put away, even put away neatly, in a way where it's definitely not cluttery looking? It's very organized. It's very together. It's still clutter. If you don't need it and you don't want it. It's hanging out there and it is taking up space in your energy field. As you let go of clutter, you're basically clearing your energy field so that you are ready to receive the things you actually want. You're allowing energy to flow freely again. You're getting rid of the stagnation. So I invite you first and foremost to go through your drawers, your cabinets, your closets, and ask yourself, is there some stuff that I've been holding on to and I've been reasonable about holding on to that I don't actually need or I really don't want? Is there some of that stuff that you can pull out of your drawers, pull out of your cabinets and gift it, donate it, recycle it, shred it, whatever it is you need to do to let it go? Now, the second piece of this is to go beyond your immediate environment and think about your car, your office. Maybe you have a vacation place. Maybe you have a place where you store things like a storage unit or a storage locker somewhere, and you can go there and clear it out. Start clearing out the hidden clutter in those environments as well. Just because it's out of sight doesn't mean it's out of your energy field. But when you decide to confront it, you open up a flow of energy, which is so dynamic and powerful and unstoppable. I'll tell you, when I cleared out my desk, it was a pivotal moment, and I didn't expect to. I thought I was going to just take a few things out of the drawer, shred some stuff. Oh my gosh, I was astonished that I filled a trash bag. Astonished. It was the wildest thing, not anything that I expected. And I've continued to do that in every room of my house. So no shame in the game, guys. Don't think that there's something wrong with you if you find a lot of this. Rejoice if you find a lot of it, because the more you let go, the more you open up space for the new to flow freely to you. Even clearing just one junk drawer can change your life in amazing ways. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So many of you watch these videos and have not subscribed, and it means the world to me if you subscribe. It helps me to get the work out to more people, and it is so deeply appreciated. And of course, you can share this with your friends, especially people that you want to declutter with. We all have this hidden clutter to get rid of, and it's so much fun when everyone grows together, when the abundance just multiplies and the synergy is epic. And if you want a really deep dive into transforming your home and transforming your life and learning to do this professionally with others in the process, the School of Intention Professional Feng Shui Certification Program is now open for early registration, and it is such a joy to share this with you. There's a link below to learn more, to join us, and I can't wait to welcome you in. And this whole entire channel is full of videos for you to explore. Have so much fun, and I will be back soon with more. Bye.